Honestly, I expected much more of a comprehensive win today. I mean, it was fucking West Ham. What the fuck? It's not like we were playing Bayern Munich, right? It's not like we were playing against Neuer, Lewandowski, Kimmich, Alfonso Davies. Not these players, right? We were playing Socek, Cresswell, Declan Rice, Antonio. Why the fuck do we have to park the bus? Really? The lineup I was not really happy with, but at the same time, there's no one else to improve the lineup with. Rashford, I don't know why he was starting today. He's been out with an injury, and he has been struggling with the injury for the past year. Last season, he was injured with a back problem, and ever since that back problem has hit him, he has never been the same. Look at Rashford last season and look at him now. Major fucking difference. Major fucking difference. Ole has been running him to the fucking ground. To the fucking ground. He's playing almost every game the same as Maguire. That's not a good sign. That's okay for a centre back and a slow Ford Fiesta like Maguire. But for a fast striker like Rashford, that's not okay. You need to rest him. Every fucking game, FA Cup, Carabao, Europa, everything you're playing him. What do you think? He's not a bloody machine, is he? Same goes for fucking Bruno. We are lucky with Bruno that he's not injured. I don't know what would happen to Man United if Bruno Fernandes was injured. I don't want to go to those dark days again. First half was as dry as my ex-girlfriend's conversations with me. It was as dry as that. Really, really pathetic first half. Really pathetic. No shots on target, no attempts, no fucking counter attacks, zero. Nada. Second half at least we fucking improved. We got that very crucial goal. Fernandes corners are most preferred now. Whenever Bruno takes the corners, we have a probability of scoring. The same thing happened when he took the corner against Chelsea. Ford Fiesta, Maguire scored. So there's precedence. Bruno should be taking our corners, not Luke Shaw. Luke Shaw took two corners. They were short corners, almost short corners. They hit the West Ham defenders and they cleared it away. Bruno Fernandes just fucking drives it forward, drives it. And that's how a perfect corner should be. It should connect with your players' heads. Man of the match today was Luke Shaw, and maybe joint place with him Bruno and Maguire maybe. All these three players were really solid today. It's an exception for Maguire because Maguire is, you know my thoughts on Maguire. He's the fucking worst captain that we've had. But today he actually played like a proper centre back instead of side pass, and back pass to Henderson. Today he played like a proper centre back, proper. He actually showed that he is worth bloody something other than overpriced fridge. Henderson also didn't have much to do today. Zero shots on target by West Ham. And they always do this. They fail to turn up against big teams. I mean, it's West Ham with David Moyes' mentality. I don't expect any better. Really don't expect any better. He's not some Hansi Flick or Pep Guardiola to come up with some crazy fucking tactics. Pathetic game by West Ham. Us, other than that goal, us also I feel was really boring, but we were the better team and we came out on top. So I'm really happy about that. Leicester fucking crushed Sheffield United and they were second. So we got our second place back. So that's a good thing. All our next focus should be on Milan. Every fucking focus should be on Milan. I really hope Cavani, Donny, all of these players are fit for the next game because, boy, that's going to be a fucking challenge. Zlatan, Hernandez, all of their fucking top players are coming back. And plus that, what's his name? Kessler or whatever, Frank Kessier, whatever. He's a good player. He fucking crushed us last week. And plus that fucker who scored that goal, Simon someone. We need to watch out for these fucking players. I don't want to get fucked out of the Europa also. We've had enough of years without a trophy. I want a bloody trophy. I really fucking want some fucking silverware. I've had enough. If Ole doesn't get this, he's gonna get bloody sacked. And I don't care what the rumor says. If there is no trophy this season, Ole can't survive here. At least fucking Europa or FA Cup. I don't know. I want bloody something. Premier League is out of the question, obviously. City are, 11 or 17 fucking something points clear. We have to focus on Europa and Premier League. and top four is a priority, obviously. But I'm pretty sure top four will is obviously a done deal right now. But Europa and FA Cup, these should be our fucking priority.